Hey, how's it going, everybody? Welcome back to another quick video for you guys. And I wanted to talk to you guys about Evolution X 11.6.2 on the Pixel 9a. Figure I'd do it outside. It's nice and got a nice breeze going on today or whatever, whatnot. So I just thought I would do it out here. But anyways, for those who are curious, does it bring any of the stuff that is in the latest Pixel drop? And no, it does not. Okay, put that question down. And now I just can get into just a little bit of things that you guys may be interested in if you're a user of Evolution X on your Pixel 9a. And that is one, we got the ability to theme the biometric sensor. So now that's live. I always wondered why it wasn't on 11.4.1 with like other devices like the Nothing Phone 1, it being on 11.4.2. It had that feature. So I guess, it just took a little bit of time, but they got it, pretty much on there right now. Can't complain. It's there. So you can customize it. You can customize it with a graphic. And you can also customize the animation too as well. When you unlock your screen with your biometric fingerprint sensor. So that's pretty cool. They did bring in the customized app icon shapes within the wallpaper and styles that wasn't there before, and it is now, which is also separate from when you do it in the Monet customization area. So when you choose the apps to look a certain way in the Monet settings, then that goes system wide. That goes in the app drawer, that goes in the settings. So you'll have those shapes, and then you can do the home screen icons a certain way. So being a little playful with it, that's always nice. As far as that, I mean, there's really not too much of a change. Just bringing in, basically security patches, vulnerabilities, and stuff like that are going to be up to date. So that's a nice touch. Always staying secure is one of the biggest things. When you're on a custom ROM, there's a bit of a vulnerability there because your bootloader is unlocked. And unless you relock your bootloader, that's entirely up to you. But I would never recommend anybody locking their bootloader on a custom ROM, because if anything goes wrong, then you can't revert back to stock firmware. So because there's vulnerabilities, you have to pay attention to what you're doing with your phone, custom ROMs and things like that, for sure. So yeah, just due diligence, just keep it protected and everything like that, and you'll be absolutely fine. But other than that, I am about to go ahead and head out, and just wanted to give you guys an update on Evolution X.